student. Today I shall discuss development of e-content textbook, teacher's handbook for SCERTS, boards or NCERT or any other book beneficial for the student. In this regard, I have prepared one of the important book for the student. The name of the book is Bodoland Movement. Upendranath Brahma was the father of Bodoland Movement, and this book is prepared for Baksa, Sirang, Kokrajhar and Odalguri. Some chapters have been included in this book, and it is benefited of all the students, those who are living in Assam. Thank you to all my students.